Okay, we are now on lesson 76 and multiplying fractions, as you can see on the board. This is an extremely complicated lesson. So, please make sure you are paying very close attention. We need to keep this one serious the entire time that you are learning, all right? All right, so the first thing that we need to keep in mind when you're multiplying fractions is that it's not that hard really. So I can go with the hair. I thought about growing mine out like this, but mine doesn't grow. So, multiplying fractions. It is actually a very simple concept that we're going to learn. So, if I had 1/2 times 1/2, all you are doing is multiplying straight across. That's the whole thing. So, I have 1 times 1 is, no. It's 1, really. I don't care what you say. 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And now you get to multiply straight across on the bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. That's all it is. Now, let's take a look at what it really is. So, if I have a half, here's a half, right? So say we got a half here. Now, I want half of a half. So here is my half of a half. Here, so I have a whole half, and I want half of it, which gives us, if you look at the whole picture here, 1/4, one piece out of the 4. So that's what you're doing when you're multiplying fractions, is you're taking a part of another part. So if I had 2/3 times 1/2, I'm going to multiply straight across. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? We can reduce this now, right? So if we have 2 and 6, 2 goes into both of them. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. Okay? We've done this before. We've reduced a lot of that. All right? So we have 2/3 times 1/2 equals 1/3. Now, once again, let's take a look at what we're talking about. So if I've got my circle again, and divide it into 3 equal pieces. So say I've got 2/3 here, 2/3, and I want half of that. So if I have my 2/3 and I want half of it, that is just going to be this part right here. That's half of the 2/3, which is 1/3. All right? Pretty simple. Multiply straight across and then reduce it. So, for you to work out, all right, let's do 3/5 times 2/3. And remember, we're just going to multiply straight across. Okay? And then that's going to be problem number 1. And problem number 2, let's do 3/4 times 1/2 equals. So, my answer for this, okay? Everybody understand what you're doing? Multiplying, you're just multiplying straight across those. 3 times 1, 4 times 2, come up with your answer, and then reduce the answer if you can. Now, keep in mind, math is a very, very serious subject, all right? So, no messing around, all right? 100% serious all the time, like me, all right? Does everybody got that? That's what I thought. All right, have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.